What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty with xking.com, and today's video I'm talking about money, how to budget money, and how to spend money, where you should put money at. Because some people can't really budget money. Some people don't know how to handle money, and in these days, you have to be really frugal with your money because stuff goes up all the time. Stuff's more expensive. New stuff, things comes out, new technology comes out that costs a lot of money. So all I could do, everybody's situation is different. Everybody's situation is different. So I just tell you my situation and tell you how I budget my money. So when I get my paycheck, the one thing I must pay is the mortgage. That has to be the number one thing. I have to pay for roof over the head, over the family head. So I make sure the mortgage is paid. So once the mortgage paid, then it's daycare. My son's daycare. So I subtract that, and every week, every time I get paid, I write on a piece of paper so I can see it. I can physically see it. I'll write down how much my check is, subtract the mortgage. It gives me a grand total. After that money left over, I gotta pay daycare. Gotta pay daycare. I mean, he has to pay. I gotta pay daycare. So that automatically just subtract that from what's left over from the mortgage. Then that's my bottom line. That's what I got left. I always pay my bills. Okay, I always send extra on my bills. My car insurance could be paid up for the month. But I send them $20, $35 because that next month, all I gotta send them is like $50 or $35 or sometimes $25 because you don't know what's gonna happen next month. Next month, water heater could break, car could break down. You get this replaced and cost a lot of money. You want to pay a lot of money out plus paying full price for your bills. So I always stay ahead. I always try to put $20, $30 on car insurance, cell phone, and stuff like that. So you could put 10, 20, and you can pay your bills online. Everybody pay bills online these days, but that's the way I've been doing it lately. I've been doing it for years now, but I see my bills. Is it paid off or not? If it's not paid off, I try to spend 10, 20, $30 on it. If that's a little bit of money. Next, I'll save money. I save money. So I got two savings accounts. I try to put money in both of those savings accounts. Try to put some money into that. And after I do all that, because sometimes it can be $5 or $10. I mean, it doesn't matter. After that, is what got going on this week? Are we going shopping this week? Are we going out this week? Do we have family coming over this weekend? Are we going out of town this weekend? Does our car need something? So all that stuff goes through my mind. So we go shopping this weekend. We go to Sam's Club. We typically spend about $80 to $85 a piece. So I know that I'm gonna spend at least this much when we go out to the restaurant, to the store. So I'll subtract $100. Even though I spend at least $80, I want that buffer. You'll always put a buffer in because stuff comes up. You buffer for 60, you spend 90. Your numbers are off. So always put a little $20 to $25 buffer into your number. So if I spend $75, $80, I say I spend 100 or 110. So that's important. You gotta buy food for the house. So we're doing that this weekend. Are we going to does my car need gas for the week? Because go ahead and fill the car up. Go ahead and fill it up. Does my car need gas? Yeah or no? But this week I do need gas. I'll go ahead and fill that up. So I'll fill that gas pump up. And after the groceries, if we're not planning to go out to eat or going to a movie or do anything outside the house, and we're just chilling pretty much all week, then the rest of the money is mine. The rest of the money is mine. And I typically just don't spend it really. But that's how I budget my money. And I got a credit card as well. I try to put money on that while I do my bills too. But that's how I budget my money. You should do the same way. You should make sure you pay the rent, mortgage first, child care second, pay your other bills, car insurance, cell phone, credit card. Try to throw a little bit of money on there to make the life a little bit easier. Save some money for groceries for the week. And if you got to get a car payment or pay that as well, save money and some checking account, savings account. Get a savings account, high yield savings account. Try to put some money to the side for a rainy day in case something happened. You got money to fix it. But that's what I typically would do. So that's the end of my video. But what do you think? How do you budget your money? That's the way I look at it. And I pay my bills over, so the next month the bill is much cheaper that month. And if you have a loan, the more money you put on it, the faster it'll be paid off, and you're paying less in interest. So you want to pay your loan. So after the mortgage and the daycare, if you have kids or not, after the mortgage or rent, your next thing should be a credit card or a loan. That's how I see it, because once that loan's paid off or the credit card's paid off, that bill's wiped out. So that bill is wiped out. You got a student loan or a car note. The next thing after rent is that note, is that loan, because once it's paid off, like I said, you're done with it. And the more you put on it, the less you pay in interest, and you pay it off faster. So that's the way I do it. The rent, car note. We don't have a car note, but car note, we're doing it. The daycare, where you have a kid, not a kid, goes right to your car insurance, cell phone, credit cards, what other bill you have. Then it's savings, save some. Then it's food. I mean, food should come before savings, but I put like $10, $20, it's not gonna break me. Then it's the food. After that, once you got everything out of the way, you can put gas in your car for the next couple weeks. The rest of it's yours. That's how I budget money, and you can do the same thing. So my name is Tyler, SKing.com. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you next time.